All right, little big guy. Here we go. Yeah, June 7th, 2026. It's like 80 degrees, 81 degrees last I looked. So yeah, this is the Jenks Inlet Bar, Jenks Inlet Bar. This is kind of on the other side of the boardwalk to the left. It's like off the beaten path, but it's a really awesome laid back tiki bar spot that they got right here. And Jenkinson's is the big one of the biggest in the Jersey Shore, one of the biggest places to go, one of the most popular spots. They got a lot of food, they got bands and stuff like that. Pretty big shore bands play down here. There's some names I could probably throw around, like the Benjamins and the Big Orange Cone and Whiskey Fuel. I know the Whiskey Fuel people. Friends with some of them from way back in the day. That's the Jersey Shore. That's the vibes here. So we got a little bit of rain coming down right now again, a little drizzle. Honestly, I don't care, but it's just the camera, so I don't want to mess up any cameras here. Little big guy. But we don't have any heavy rain, so that's a good plus. That's a plus, no heavy rain. A little bit of drizzle going on. So I do have good data on my plan, so hopefully we're good. But Prism Live Studio, the app has been a little bit shaky for some reason. I don't know why. They've been going through some things. Checking the sound right now, make sure everything sounds good. We should be okay. Let me know in the comments if there's bad audio or video. Point Pleasant, New Jersey.
I took a video of it. I showed it to DJ.
So you see the beach over here.
Oh my God, Pat, look at the stones. Look at the flip-flops.
So yeah, this isn't the section with a lot of people. The main spot is up ahead of us and we're going to walk to that spot. I just wanted to get a little bit of a video of this one here. The peaceful side of Point Pleasant. So you can see the beach isn't really full over here. And people don't go on the beach as much on this side as over towards the main section, which is in front of us. But we do have some drizzling in the rain a little bit, so that's why nobody's, a little bit of a reason probably why there aren't as many people on the beach. Plus it's a little early right now in the year, so we're not actually at the actual summer yet, but we're almost there, almost at the summer. It's close to summer.
Actually, I haven't been in a while. I went.
It's pretty cool. They got the sidewalks down here to get to the street. So that's pretty interesting. That's a really convenient place. It's like being on the beach too. You get the sand at your house. So that's super wild.
I gotta say, like, the private.
All right, so this is where the main section is coming up of Point Pleasant. This is where everybody is. We were just strolling around on the outskirts.
That is strong as an artist.
So it's action-packed down here.